Keeping food fresh for longer while preserving its quality and nutritional value is a daily concern for many of us. Today we take a look at the best vacuum sealing machines on the market, ranging from compact models for occasional home use to professional solutions designed for demanding cooks. Whether your goal is to reduce food waste, prepare meals in advance, improve freezer storage, or even get started with sous-vide cooking, choosing the right vacuum sealer makes all the difference. In this video, we review several machines by analyzing their suction power, ease of use, versatility, and overall value for money. We'll highlight their strengths, point out their limitations, and determine which model best fits your needs and budget. As always, you'll find links to the featured products in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 3. Chef Preserve. The Chef Preserve is a portable vacuum sealer that truly changes the way we handle food in the kitchen. Unlike traditional vacuum sealers, which are often bulky and inconvenient, it takes a much more modern approach. Its ultra-compact size, about the same as a pepper grinder, makes it easy to fit anywhere in your kitchen without taking up valuable counter space. The sleek white design and ABS plastic construction give it a solid yet discreet look. In terms of performance, the Chef Preserve claims to extend the shelf life of food up to 5 times longer than standard storage. Practically, this means less food wasted, fewer unnecessary grocery trips, and real savings over time. In just 5 seconds, it removes the air from the bag and automatically shuts off once the vacuum is complete. One simple press of the button is all it takes, making it accessible to anyone without complicated settings. Another great feature is that reusable bags are included. They are BPA-free, durable, leak-proof, and designed to be used in the dishwasher, freezer, refrigerator, and even the microwave. They preserve not only freshness, but also the texture, flavor, and nutritional value of your food. You can vacuum seal almost anything: meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, prepared dishes, leftovers, or even dry goods. The Chef Preserve runs on a rechargeable battery, and a single charge is enough to seal up to 1,000 bags. Impressive for a device of this size. Cordless and portable, it's perfect for travel, camping, cooking in a camper van, or simply for an outdoor picnic. In short, the Chef Preserve is for anyone looking for a simple, efficient, and modern way to preserve food without dealing with a heavy, power-hungry machine. A smart choice to save time, space, and reduce everyday food waste. Number 2. Food Saver. This machine is designed for anyone who wants to preserve their food efficiently while keeping their kitchen organized. At first glance, it stands out with its robust, well-thought-out build. With its generous dimensions and reassuring weight, it is clearly intended for regular use. Its sleek black design fits easily into a modern kitchen, and its construction inspires long-term confidence. One of the key strengths of this machine is its ability to preserve food for up to 3 years in the freezer while maintaining freshness and flavor. This is a real advantage for long-term storage, whether it's meat, fish, prepared meals, or bulk-bought items. It reduces waste and delivers genuine savings over time. The Food Saver also excels with its automatic bag detection system, which makes it extremely easy to use. Simply insert the bag and the machine does the rest. Thanks to its double thermal sealing strips, suction is consistent and the seal is perfectly airtight, ensuring reliable preservation every time. Another very practical feature is the built-in roll cutter, which allows you to create custom-sized bags. This reduces plastic waste and adapts perfectly to the size of your food, whether small portions or larger pieces. The machine is also compatible with sous-vide cooking, further expanding its versatility in the kitchen. It works with the manual sealer and Food Saver accessories, making it suitable for jars, containers, or special bags. The package is particularly complete, including rolls, pre-cut bags in various sizes, and an accessory hose. Finally, the 5-year limited warranty reinforces the product's reliability and durability. In short, this machine is ideal for anyone looking for a high-performance, durable, and versatile solution for daily food preservation, whether in the fridge, freezer, or pantry. Number 1. Food Saver Fee 4400. This machine stands out for its versatility, durability, and advanced features, making it suitable for both everyday use and long-term food preservation. With its sleek silver and black design, it combines aesthetics with sturdiness. Its generous dimensions and 10-pound weight reflect a build designed to last, using high-quality materials that ensure reliability and performance. One of its main strengths is its ability to preserve meat for up to 3 years in the freezer, just like its predecessor, while maintaining flavor, freshness, and texture without the risk of freezer burn. For pre-prepared meals, vegetables, or leftovers, refrigeration can keep food fresh for several weeks instead of just a few days, an undeniable advantage for your food budget and reducing waste. This machine remains extremely easy to use thanks to its automatic bag detection technology. Simply place the bag in the vacuum chamber and it takes care of the rest, ensuring a consistent, airtight seal. It also features a moisture detection system that automatically adjusts the mode to achieve the best vacuum possible. The patented removable drip tray collects liquids and is dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. For added convenience, the built-in roll and bag cutter allow you to create custom-sized bags according to your needs. The machine is compatible with all 8 to 11-inch Food Saver rolls, pre-made bags, zipper bags, Fresh Saver containers, and even some accessories such as jar sealers or bottle stoppers. In summary, the Food Saver V4400 is a complete and durable solution, ideal for professional cooks seeking optimal food preservation, whether for the refrigerator, freezer, or sous-vide meal preparation. That wraps up our overview of the best food vacuum sealing machines currently available. As you've seen, each model caters to different needs. Some prioritize compactness and simplicity for occasional use, while others offer power and versatility suited for regular users or sous-vide cooking enthusiasts. Ultimately, your choice will depend on how often you plan to use it, the volume of food you want to preserve, and your budget. Don't forget that all the links to these machines are available in the description so you can explore them further. If this video helped you make a choice, be sure to like and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews.